welcome back. I haven't had my nails done in about a week, so I have builder gel on, but I haven't actually had dip or any type of color dip on my nails in about a week. So I'm going to go ahead and slap on some peel base and then put on these 3 colors on my nails. I'm excited about this dip with me, and I hope you guys are too. So I am testing out a new peel base new to me. It's from Aisle 21. I've never tried it before, but it just came in the mail, and I'm excited to try it out. It was recommended to me recently, so I went ahead and bought it. So I'm going to slap it on all my nails and then let that dry, and I'll be back to show you guys my dip with me routine. So my dip with me routines are kind of informal. I don't usually teach anything during my dip routines, like dip with me videos, but sometimes I will try new things, succeed or fail. So I just poured Princess Rainbow Sparkle, which is this glitter, into a cupcake liner because I've learned that the more spread out the glitter is, the easier it is to apply, and you get like a more even application. So that's why that is happening in a cupcake liner. And please don't judge me, but I ran out of clear sample plastic baggies, so I'm using a different cupcake liner to pat my glitter down smooth and flat. I'm noticing that the cupcake liner doesn't stick or glue to the base bond liquid, so that's a plus. Just in case you're in a situation like me where you don't have plastic baggies, but you have a cupcake liner, it saved the day. Anyways, Princess Rainbow Sparkle, I didn't like it on one coverage. I feel like it needs a second dip to be everything that I want it to be and sparkly and gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and dip that a second time. And with all my glitters, especially these chunky glitters, I clear encapsulate them because, trust me, it's necessary. Just trust me, you do not want your glitters being a hot mess. I just had a random thought and I wanted to tell y'all. And I don't know if you guys know, but over on my Instagram last month, I did a live video kind of called Nails and Cocktails. It was really cool with Corgi's Wine and Nails. And it was so much fun, and I'm going to do it on a monthly basis. So this month on August 2nd, if you're watching this before August 2nd, I'm inviting you to watch the live video with myself and dip in with my eyes closed. One of my friends, Maria. We're gonna just drink some wine and do our nails and hang out. It's gonna kind of be interview style, but chill and just hanging out with your nail friends. So if this is before August 2nd, come join us over on Instagram. I'm inviting you. You need to hang out with us. See you there. Remember earlier when I said that sometimes on my dip with me's I like to try new things? Yeah, so I actually started doing dip with me videos back in December, January. And I think April was the first time I tried something truly new. Anyways, so this one, I'm trying an ombre, and I've done an ombre 100 times probably on my nails, but this is guys, don't judge me. So I did a tap ombre. So you see me here tapping the 2 colors with the eyeshadow brush where I'm alternating back and forth. I've learned that I like the scrub ombre 1,000 times better, but I thought I'd try it this way just to see if it was any different. So I'm doing the tap ombre, and then I'm going to brush that off in a second, and then I'm going to put clear dip over that and then do a scrub ombre. So it's the first layer is a tap ombre, and the second layer is a scrub ombre. It's really strange, but it worked out well. I've also learned that fluffy eyeshadow brushes are not my favorite for the scrub ombre. So I like to pinch the brush together so it's like more dense and put together. So I think I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree sometime this week and try to find not so fluffy crease brushes. I need like a more packed eyeshadow brush so that I can scrub it on there without having to pinch the brush. Just a tidbit tip. Is that how you say it? Somebody help me. Oh my god, I didn't tell you guys. This color is a sun changer. I just put it in my LED lamp for you guys so you guys can see. But the blue color is a sun changer. So Revel Nail does their Gift of Revel colors every year. They've been doing it since, I want to say 2018. Yes. And this is the first year that they've introduced a sun changer into their Gift of Revel line. And they didn't tell anybody. They're good. They kept their mouth shut. People were getting their colors, wearing them and everything. They didn't say shit until people posted in their Facebook group, like, did y'all know this was a color changer? Well, no, I didn't, but now I do. Yeah, I was completely taken by surprise when one of my friends, Shayna, she does dip nails over on Instagram. She posted about it, and I was like, wait, what? This changes colors. So it's because it changed from blue to purple. And I don't even like purple, y'all. But because of that change, I felt like it was going to be a perfect match for Princess Rainbow Sparkle. Because Princess Rainbow Sparkle has blue, purple, and pink in the glitter. And then also silver. So I was like, I'm going to make these all three fit into each other. Somehow mix and mesh with just two solid colors. Imagine if I had a color that... Well, no, I don't think I can color change from silver to anything else. That was a bad thought. Don't mind me. Maybe like a clear shimmer, possibly, but definitely not a stark silver. Anyways, onto my nails. Back to that stuff, because I'm doing my nails here, right? So my plan for my pinky is awful. I'm just going to tell you that now. I tried to replicate what I did to my middle finger on my pinky, and I don't know if it's because I have like less real estate on my nails, but it didn't turn out as great. I'm just going to say that right now. So I did the tap ombre for my first layer, and then I'm adding clear, and I'm about to scrub for the second layer. But I'm just going to let you know now in advance, it looks bad, and please don't judge me. So while we're just chilling, doing the same old, dipping my nails, I want to ask your guys' opinion. So I was sent some products from a couple companies, and they want me to try them out, but they're things I don't typically use. Like polygel for one. I've tried it before. Wasn't my favorite, but they sent me some polygel kits for me to try and review. And I'm trying to decide, do you guys like that type of content? Like, do you care for polygel? I don't even know if my audience and the people who sit here and watch my videos, thank you, by the way, for watching my videos, if y'all like polygel. So, I just wanted to know. The best way to salvage a messed up mani is to add glitter. Just add glitter. And that's what I'm doing here. So my ombre was not faded at all the way it was supposed to be. And I didn't like that. So I decided to do a like semi-swirl of glitter right over the terrible stark line of ombre that I have going on my pinky. So I'm individually placing the glitter pieces from Princess Rainbow Sparkle all over that lined area where I already placed base bond. And as it starts to dry a little bit more, I add a little bit more base bond. But I only had to do that once, so don't feel like you have to add base bond every 5 seconds. But Princess Rainbow Sparkle, she's feisty. She's She's chunky. She don't want to lay down. I get it. I respect it. But yeah, I needed her to lay flat like she was on my ring finger. But I don't know. I really liked how the glitter tied in and the ombre tied in and all the colors kind of like flowed into each other. I like that. So I'm going to finish adding glitter, and then I'm going to clear encapsulate my pinky nail, and we're going to move on. So I'm going to add clear dip to this nail like I said earlier, and then soon I'm going to activate all of my nails and then file and buff off camera. If you missed it, I have a video on how I shape my nails. So in case you want to see how the filing and shaping routine goes, you can go check that video out. But to be honest, I don't show my filing and shaping routine on these dip with me's because I personally feel like the filing and shaping takes probably twice as long than what it does takes me to just dip. So it gets kind of boring after a while. So if you want to check out that shaping video, I'm going to link that here for you guys. Be sure to check it out if you want this shape. If you like my shape, not this shape, because clearly I need to file and shape it. It's looking kind of rough right now. So, but if you want to see what it looks like next, and then go check out the video, yeah, go do that. Alright, this is the shape I was referring to. So I don't really have coffin or ballerina nails, at least I don't think so in my opinion. It's just tapered. Is there an appropriate term for this? I don't know. So I'm taking rubbing alcohol as well, and I basically wiped every nook and cranny on my nails so that it soaks up the activator. So when I apply my top coat, which by the way, this looks like cotton candy, dreamy nails. But when I apply my top coat, it's very important to me to not harden the brush or thicken the liquid. So if you're new to Triple D liquids, then you know that, no, you don't know actually. You don't know that the top coat is finicky to how the activator works. So as long as your activator is nice and dry, then you can add your top coat like I'm doing here. And I do it in 2 layers. So I'll do my whole 1 layer, and then between each nail, I like to brush my brush off really well on a paper towel before I put my brush back in the bottle. Because if you don't do that, that liquid's going to get thick, that brush is going to get hard, and you're just going to hate everything. Alright, so we're ending the near end of this video now because after filing and shaping and buffing, there's really not many surprises unless I'm doing some really unique nail art. So it's just top coat and enjoy your life. It's all shiny and glossy and absolutely perfect. Just how I expected it, how I wanted it. So now I'm just going to apply my favorite cuticle oil, which is Candy Skincare. Nourish these nails up and then take my tushy booty to bed because I am tired. And I hope you guys like this mani. And if you did, always please be sure to give the video a thumbs up because why not let people know that you like what they're making? That's the best way to let us know. And then also, if you're also new here, hey, it's me, Carole Annette. I like to do nail art videos and tutorials, so be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.